OPEC Fact Part 1 Fact Part 2 Climate change. The polar ice caps are melting at an alarming rate. This contributes to rising sea levels and habitat loss. AI technology. AI can now generate human-like text and images. It's revolutionizing industries from entertainment to healthcare. Space exploration. NASA is planning to send humans to Mars by the 2030s. Private companies like SpaceX are also joining the race. Renewable energy. Solar energy capacity has increased significantly in recent years. Wind energy is also seeing a major boost worldwide. Cryptocurrency. Bitcoin reached a new all-time high in 2021. More countries are considering launching their own digital currencies. Mental health. Awareness about mental health has grown during the pandemic. Teletherapy has become a popular method of receiving treatment. Electric vehicles. Electric vehicle sales are soaring globally. Major automakers are committing to phasing out gas-powered cars. Environmental conservation. Reforestation projects are gaining momentum. Protecting biodiversity is crucial for ecosystem stability. 5G technology. 5G networks are being rolled out in many countries. This technology promises faster internet speeds and connectivity. Genetic engineering. CRISPR technology allows for precise gene editing. It holds potential for curing genetic diseases. Smart home devices. Smart speakers are becoming household staples. They can control lights, thermostats, and even order groceries. Telecommuting. Remote work has become more common post-pandemic. Companies are adapting to hybrid work models. Plant-based diets. More people are adopting plant-based diets. This trend is driven by health and environmental concerns. E-commerce. Online shopping has surged during the pandemic. Brick-and-mortar stores are increasingly offering online options. Digital nomads. The rise of remote work has led to more digital nomads. They often work while traveling the world. Virtual reality. VR is being used for everything from gaming to training.
Virtual reality VR is being used for everything from gaming to training. It's also making waves in virtual tourism and education. Cybersecurity. Cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated. Businesses are investing heavily in cybersecurity measures. Quantum computing. Quantum computers can solve complex problems faster than traditional ones. This could revolutionize fields like cryptography and drug discovery. Smart cities. Cities are integrating technology to improve efficiency and sustainability. Examples include smart traffic management and energy systems. Climate activism. Youth activists are leading the charge against climate change. Movements like Fridays for Future are gaining global traction. Space tourism. Companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic are offering space flights. These flights are opening the door to commercial space travel. Blockchain technology. Blockchain is being used beyond cryptocurrencies. It has applications in supply chain, healthcare, and voting systems. Wearable tech. Fitness trackers and smartwatches are growing in popularity. They offer health monitoring features and smartphone integration. Electric aviation. Electric planes are being developed for short-haul flights. This technology promises to reduce aviation's carbon footprint. Sustainable fashion. Eco-friendly and ethical fashion is trending. Brands are focusing on sustainable materials and fair labor practices. Online education. E-learning platforms saw a boom during the pandemic. Many institutions are now offering hybrid learning models. Climate-friendly diets. Reducing meat consumption can lower your carbon footprint. Plant-based and lab-grown meats are becoming more popular. Space telescopes. The James Webb Space Telescope will offer unprecedented views of the universe. It aims to explore the origins of stars and galaxies. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars are being tested in many cities. They promise to reduce accidents and improve traffic flow. Augmented reality. AR is being